Hi, my name is Abdul Abdullah and I'm an artist who works across all sorts of different mediums, primarily painting, but all sorts of different things. And today we're standing in front of my work, Come Together, at Arden Station. The work Come Together is made up of a series of giant ceramic panels that depict a painting from the area by J.S. Calder called View from Royal Park of the West Melbourne Swamp. And for the artwork, I wanted to show what the area looked like before any type of colonial settlement in its sort of natural state. And then over the top of this image, I've got two giant hands coming together. What we're seeing in the video is the installation of these giant tiles, and it's not a one-to-one exact replica of the painting, but rather a reference to mosaic tiles, where the work has been pixelated and gridded in a uniform way that sort of speaks to the idea of things coming into focus or things coming out of focus. And the hands over the top are a signature of mine, the white line that I use over the other paintings that I do. And in this instance, the hands are reaching across the surface, coming together, for me signifying how the station acts as a nexus point of different communities coming together. The artwork is complete and installed on Lawrence Street right now, so you can walk past and have a look, or come check it out when the station opens in 2025.